EPSON has new printers focused on the ever-growing fluorescent ink segment. Want to know more about how this works? Stay tuned. I'm Bob Miller, Product Manager and Color Solutions Specialist here at IT Supplies. Today I'm going to show you how EPSON Edge Print software can help you get the most out of your fluorescent workflow. Let's take a look. So here I have EPSON Edge Print software open. Edge Print software is something that EPSON now provides with their printers. Especially in this case, we're talking about the F9470 and F6470H printers. These are their expanded gamut printers. And in this case, we're specifically talking about fluorescent and the fluorescent workflow. So we're in EPSON Edge Print, and I'm going to hit Add, and we're going to find the file that we want to use. Okay, so I'm adding this file. This file is going to be a black and white file. And as you can see here, because it knows that we're working with fluorescent printing, we have the color layer, which is the black and white layer. And then we have these fluorescent layers. In this case, we have no fluorescence in this image. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to actually assign fluorescence. So I'm going to actually expand this, make it larger so that you can see what I'm doing. And we're going to go to the Color Replacements tab over on the right. So in Color Replacements, you click on Edit and you click on the eyedropper. Let's pick what we're going to start with. So I'm going to start with the black. So here's our black. Now, in this case, the black is CMYK. We're going to say that the black is actually going to be yellow. Fluorescent yellow, to be specific. So I choose CMYK plus fluorescent yellow. I zero out the CMYK values. 0, 0, 0, and 0. And we're going to make fluorescent 100. And right now, when we go ahead and change this, now that black has now changed to fluorescent yellow. I can now go ahead and edit again, click the eyedropper tool. I can click on the white areas of this image. I can say we're going to choose fluorescent pink here. I'm going to change fluorescent pink to 100. Click off the edit. And now we have our new image. So we've got fluorescent yellow and fluorescent pink instead of black and white. In a minute, we're going to print some coasters. I'm going to show you what it looks like, but this is primarily how you're going to control fluorescent colors on this printer. You can see over on the left, you have your fluorescent yellow channel and your fluorescent pink channel, and there you can see the areas that are highlighted with each color. One other thing to note about fluorescence is that EPSON does have a swatch library that you can download off of EPSON's site. And this can be imported into your swatches in Adobe. So in this particular case, we're just going to click here. So I have gone to the EPSON support site, and in this case, I searched for the F9470H. This would also be the same case with the F6470H fluorescent version. And under the drivers, you're going to see the EPSON Print Swatch Library. So you're going to want to download that. Once you've gone ahead and downloaded it, you're going to take it from your downloads And it's going to be this file right here. It's the Epson Fluorescent Color Collection.asc. What I've done is I've copied those swatches into the Adobe Illustrator presets area. So it's usually found under Program Files, Adobe Illustrator, your version, Presets, English, and Swatches. So that's where that can be found. Once implemented, you'll see it in your swatch library, and you'll be able to select different variations of the Adobe Fluorescent yellow and pink. So I definitely recommend going ahead and downloading that and using that in your designs when possible. So overall, this has been just a quick tutorial on the Epson Fluorescents and how to go about using them in your workflow using Edge Print. If you have additional questions, I strongly suggest that you contact IT Supplies. Here we have our color specialists and our sales reps are very knowledgeable. You'll be able to get all of the answers that you're seeking, and we can go into much more detail on this than we can in a very short video. So please comment, like, subscribe below. And when it comes to printing and color management, IT Supplies is here to help your business succeed. Thanks so much for joining me.